Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson. Is English of Standard 6th and name of the lesson is lesson number 3.2 Seven Sisters. Dear children, we all are staying at home since March 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic, right? Today we will have some changes. We all together will leave our place and roam around towards Northeast India. Then, are you ready? Yes, come on. Now, here you can see a map of India, isn't it? This is a map of India, correct? Now, see, this is the north side, this is south side, this is west, and this is east side. Okay, this part we are going to study today. Here we can see the enlarged, the part is enlarged here. So many states are there, right? You can see so many states. Now we are going to roam all these places. Okay, shall we move? Seven sisters. Same portion is there. See here. Okay. Now, seven sisters. Here they include 7 states of Northeast India. Got this? 7 sisters means 7 neighboring states of our India which are located in northeastern part of India. Okay, we will see which are they. 7 sisters include number 1, Arunachal Pradesh. You can see on the map a star. Please observe this. This yellow colored part, that is nothing but Arunachal Pradesh. See the location. Okay. The next one is Assam. See the star here. Can you see this? Green part, that is Assam. And the capital city of Assam is Dispur. This is the second sister. Got this? Who is the third sister? Yes, Meghalaya. Can you see here the star on the orange portion? See, this is Meghalaya. Okay, the next one is Manipur. See here, sky blue portion. Can you see here the star? This is Manipur. Then the next thing is here Mizoram. See the red color state. Can you see the star here? Okay, that is Mizoram. And after that is Nagaland. See the violet color portion. That is nothing but Nagaland state. Okay. And the last sister, that is the 7th sister, is Tripura. See this parrot green colored portion. Yes, these are 7 sisters. They are located nearby. See. Okay. And they are situated in the northeastern part of India. Dear children, today we will visit each state. Okay, in this lesson that it contains too much information. So I have divided this lesson into 2 parts. In the first part, we will move to Arunachal Pradesh, then Assam, then Meghalaya, and then Manipur. Okay. In the next part, we will move to Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Got this? So that we can enjoy each state properly. Okay. First, we will go through some general information about these 7 sisters. Okay, what they will say, we will listen. We are the 7 sisters of Northeast India, still unexplored, isolated territories to most of you and to the rest of the world. We are famous for our natural beauty, lush forests and wild animals, as well as our colorful costumes, traditional jewelry, exotic flowers, and our own unique dance and music. Nature lovers have designated our whole area as one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. Yes, dear children, we will visit each state of this Northeast India. Okay, that is 7 sisters. Okay. Dear children, first we will move to Arunachal Pradesh, who is the first sister. Okay, now see, this is the map of the Arunachal Pradesh. See the size, shape and territories of the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, shall we move? Hi, they call me the land of the rising sun, the land of the dawn-lit sun. I am Arunachal Pradesh. My people are simple and hospitable. They belong to many tribes speaking their own languages. Their diet is largely made up of rich with rice, fish, meat, and many green vegetables. And a popular dish is momos, steamed buns with meat or vegetable stuffing. I am a nature lover's heaven. My land is spotted with monasteries, lush green forests, lakes, and waterfalls, deep river valleys. In my limestone caves known as Tepunuru and forest reserves, you will find a great variety of wildlife. You are also welcome to the many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks where you may see rare animals, birds and plants. You must make it a point to visit the 400-year-old Buddhist monastery at Thawang and enjoy cultural festivals at Zero. Don't miss the Namdapha Tiger Project. Okay? See, this is one more scene of the Namdapha Tiger Project. Now, I am also home to India's first orchid sanctuary. Yes, dear children, this is all about Arunachal Pradesh. Now, we will move to the second sister's house, that is Assam. Okay? Assam, the second sister. Now, see the location of Assam here in the India's map. Okay? It is in the northeast part, isn't it? And see the shape and size of Assam, the second sister among 7 sisters. Okay, now Assam will speak to you. Friends, I am Assam, also known as Ahom. You will find my land between the beautiful valleys of the Brahmaputra and Barak rivers. They call me the gateway to the 7 sisters. My people are very hospitable. If you come here, you can enjoy the cuisines which has its own distinctive aromas and flavors. I am known for my artistic heritage and elegant temples, and I am famous for my exotic dance forms. Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park are World Heritage Sites. My picturesque landscape of golden green rice fields and landscaped tea estates is awesome to behold. And you know, Assam tea is world famous. The Brahmaputra is Assam's lifeline. The rivers ensure that my territory is lush and fertile, with wetlands, orchards, tea estates, and scenic forests and parks. The land is also rich in petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and other minerals. My hand-woven silks are exotic, with natural colors and designs. They say our women weave fairy tales on their looms. Assam silk fabrics, that is Iri, Muga and Pat, are the most sought after silks in the world of fashion. I am known as the land of fairs and festivals. The major festival of Assam is Bihu. Cane and bamboo are the inseparable parts of my life. As 7s, you can take the jappi, that is traditional sunshade, and mask. Don't forget to visit the Ahom places. This is all about Assam. Now we will move to the third sister's place, that is Meghalaya. Okay? To Meghalaya. I am the third sister. Now I am locating here and see my area, my shape and my size. Okay? Yes. Hello friends. I am the abode of clouds, Meghalaya. My capital city Shillong is called Scotland of the East because of its highlands, fog and scenery. My people speak English, Khasi, Nar and Garo. You can see 4 languages are there in my state. I am overwhelmingly beautiful and everything here is impossibly green and alive. The rolling mists in the valleys, the undulating hills, numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, and sacred forests and exotic flora and fauna are fascinating. Please come to Cherrapunji and Mausim Ram, the wettest places on earth. You can enjoy the forests and sacred groves here. I boast of several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Friends, you would be amazed to see the Krem Liat Pra, which is the longest cave, and Sindrang Temiang, which is the deepest cave. You can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Do come to this Pine Fresh mountain and stay during the Wangala festival in autumn. Here, Zoom or shifting this is Shillong, the capital city of Meghalaya. Zoom or shifting cultivation is practiced even today. I have lovely mountains with stretches of valley and highland plateau. The rock formation here contain rich deposits of valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium and sillimanite. I have many rivers. You can see my clear and clean rivers here. Please do visit my place and you are always welcome here. Dear children, now we will move to the fourth sister's place, that is Manipur. Manipur, this is the fourth sister. You can see the location of Manipur in India's map and see the shape, size of the Manipur in enlarged map. Okay. Hey, I am the fourth sister, Manipur, the jeweled land. I am proud to be the jewel of my mother, India. I am also known by my nicknames. Read this, Kangalipak and Sanalibak. My capital is Imphala, where you can see the cyclist velodrome. Many of my people belong to the Meitei ethnic group and speak Meitei or Manipuri language. I have the credit of introducing polo game to the Europeans. See, this is a polo game. My people's staple diet consists of rice, fish, large varieties of leafy vegetables, that is both aquatic and terrestrials, mean water plants and land plants. Okay, but our cuisines is so different from the rest of India due to the use of various aromatic herbs and roots that are peculiar to my state. Blessed with an amazing variety of flora and fauna, that is plants life and animals life. I am home to the host of rare endemic plant and animal life here. A treat for the eyes is the Kebul Langzhou National Park, an abode of the rare and endangered species of antlered deer. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of mammals. It is the only floating national park of the world. This is my floating national park. You should come to see the Loktek Lake and floating islands. Our Manipuri dance is the one of the most acclaimed classical dances of India. The folk dances of tribal people captivate the beholders with their exotic costumes and simple but graceful rhythm. You just not fail to witness the Manipuri martial arts, Thang Tha and Sarit Sarak. These are my martial arts. Yes, dear children, this is all about Manipur. Now we will move to Mizoram in the next part. We will continue the same in the next part too. In the next part, we are going to visit Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and after that we will solve the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.